buddies, welcome to my channel Study Buddy. In this channel, I'll be uploading all the solutions from class 10 mathematics. So today we are going to solve the third problem of exercise 1.3 from real numbers chapter. So let's get started with the third problem. Question number 3. Prove that the following are irrational. So we are supposed to prove that 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. So let's go ahead with the solution. So let us suppose that 1 by root 2 is an rational number. So what is the condition for a number to be rational? So 1 by 2 should be in the form of a by b, where a comma b belongs to integers and a and b is not equal to 0. Here root 2 is equal to b by a since I am reciprocaling the terms. I am considering this to be an equation 1. So from equation 1, we notice that RHS or the right hand side is a rational number. But LHS, that is root 2, is not rational. This contradicts the fact that root 2 is an irrational number. So our supposition is wrong and hence 1 by root 2 has to be an irrational number. Let's move on with the second question. Prove that 7 root 5 is an irrational number. So let's go ahead with the solution. We have to prove that 7 root 5 is irrational. If possible, let us consider 7 root 5 is an rational number. So as I told you, any number should be in the form of a by b, where a comma b belongs to integers and b is not equal to 0, so as it has to be an rational number. So 7 root 5 is equal to a by b. So it is a rational number. Now I send the 7 to the right hand side and its root 5 is equal to a by 7b. Now LHS, that is the left hand side, is an irrational number while the right hand side is a rational number. Therefore the left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Thus our supposition is wrong. So 7 root 5 is an irrational number. So let's move on with the third question. Prove that the following are irrational. So we have to prove 6 plus 2 root 5 to be an irrational number. So let us suppose that 6 plus root 2 to be an rational number, by which 6 plus root 2 is equal to a by b, where a comma b belong to integers and b is not equal to 0. Root 2 is equal to a by b minus 6. By taking LCM, you get a minus 6b by b. Now, the left hand side is an irrational number and right hand side is a rational number. By using the properties of rational number, we thus conclude that left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So, our supposition is wrong. Hence, 6 plus root 2 is an rational number. So we have finished with the problem of this exercise. In my next video, I'll be showing you all the solutions of class 10 mathematics. So do refer my channel for further videos. Thank you.